What's going on YouTube? Chris here. I want to bring you all an update of Bitcoin, and what we're going to be doing is looking at Bitcoin on the 1 hour time frame. Right now we're sitting at 15,728. We're up 2.7%. And what we're looking to do here is try to break through this overhead resistance at 15,853. This is an area before we had tweezer tops on the 1 hour time frame. We've tested it again. It was roughly about 3 days later, and we ended up failing, and now we're testing it again. So this is going to be the area that we really want to pay attention to. Right now on the 1 hour, we're seeing some rejection on a longer wick, but you can see the moving averages are moving up, and we really want to wait and see what we end up doing on the daily. So if we get a daily candle close up above that 15,853, then we have a decent shot of moving up. Guys, I would probably say up into the $16,000 range, like 16,600, even up to that 17,139 if this volume continues and we can finally get up through this. So what you can kind of see, this was almost like one of those symmetrical triangle type deals, almost an ascending triangle on the 1 hour time frame here. So if you drew a trend line here, then right here a bit of a symmetrical triangle, and then we're going to see if we get that big powerful break to the upside out of here. But it's going to take that volume, and right now we are getting some volume, so I wanted to point this out here. We're going to take a look. So today the change has been $42 to the upside. Our open was 15,691. The high we've hit is 15,894. Then we started to see a little bit of rejection there. The low's been 15,660. And basically, guys, what we're looking at here is the volume. So the volume typically during this time on the 1 hour is at 580. Right now we're at 1.79K. So we have a lot of volume here. And what we're looking to see is if this is going to be distribution up here and we're going to fail and it's going to be almost like a little triple top on the 1 hour time frame, or if this is the point where we finally break through and we turn that area into support and we keep moving up to challenge those all-time highs of roughly $20,000. So that's on the 1 hour time frame. What I want to do now is bounce out a little bit. We're going to work through the time frames together. And also, if you get some from these videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends, hit that notification bell, help this channel out the best you can. I appreciate it. So on the 4 hour time frame, you can see here as well, up above the 20, the 50, the 100, 200 moving average. Just going to see if we can get that powerful break up above 15,853, but still higher lows coming in. That's what you want to see. Let's go to the 12 hour time frame. What we're doing is just looking at candles here. So we had a bit of a Harami candle here that pushed us up, and then we had a bearish engulfing candle, came back down, hit a doji, and now we're trying to get back up through that area. So, it just depends here, guys. If the whales are going to step in and this is finally the spot where we get, another big extension to the upside and we hit that $17,000. For the 12 hour, the video I did last night, I was talking about us staying up above this 12 on the 12 hour time frame, this 20 EMA in purple. And what you can see is we've been having higher lows off that. So that's a spot I'm going to look at for a candle close below that. If we get a candle close below that, then we most likely will have some deeper retracements. But if we can hold that, that could show that this would be the time when we're finally going to break up through that. So right now on the 12 hour time frame, RSI is at 66. So we have plenty of room to continue to make a move there. And then if we go out to the 1 day time frame, take a look. So 1 day time frame, guys, we might just be that bullish to where this was almost just like a little pennant formation and we're going to make another blast to the upside. I'm looking at that. The volatility stop on the 1 day time frame is at 14,496. So basically what that's saying is if you just got in a position right now, say you bought Bitcoin here, that's where you'd want to put your stop, because if we have that reversal, then most likely we're going to be going lower. It just calculates the volatility of Bitcoin and it helps sometimes. But this is still a spot that we have not had a daily candle close up above it. And if we get a long wick today and a lot of rejection, then we may have to breathe a little bit more, go down to a lower level, find some support, and then make a move again. The RSI is at 73 right now on the 1 day time frame. So you do want to be aware of that. But you can see ever since the break out of this symmetrical triangle, we've been staying up above this 20 EMA as well on the 1 day time frame. So we're really watching that, and these moving averages are starting to fan out as well. So let's just keep an eye on this, guys, if it's going to be consolidation or if we're finally going to make that move up through that 15,853 and have a daily candle close up above that. Hope you all have a wonderful day. God bless. Take care.